If you know me at all, just a little bit, or you watch any of my content, you know what this is. You know. So let's open it. I am incredibly excited. This has been... I really didn't think I'd get one of these, honestly, and my week has just been a real rough week. Oh my god. It's the Elf Pucker Up wedding. I'm with Mikayla. Oh my god. This is just beautiful. There you go. You can almost see it. There's floral on there. Oh my god. Mikayla and Elf. I had to. I'm not gonna swatch it or try it on because I want to take photos of it. But till death do us part, and then Pucker Up. Oh my god, this is awesome. I'm so excited. It even has her little name on it. Her name on it. It's perfect. I'm excited to try it on. Look out for that video. Congratulations on getting married, Mikayla. This little note on this that I've seen. It says, Elf has been with me on my journey of falling in love with Cody and getting engaged. Now we get to share the biggest moment of my life. That's so cute. When I put this lip look on, I feel like a beautiful bride. That's how I knew it was the one. That's so cute. The packaging, everything is just so pretty. Oh, there we go. You can see the floral. Congratulations, Mikayla. This is so pretty.